Namaskar, I Minesh Shah, Chairman NDDB, NCDFI and National Cooperative Organics Limited, extend my heartiest congratulations to all of you on the occasion of International Cooperative Alliance's Global Cooperative Conference 2024, which is being organized in India for the first time. It is a matter of pride for India and the entire cooperative sector that this momentous event will be inaugurated at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi on 25th November 2024. Organizing this event in India this year has greater relevance as in the last few years, since the formation of the Ministry of Cooperation in 2021, several important initiatives have been undertaken in India to realize the vision of Sahkar Se Samruddhi, that is prosperity through cooperation, which include new cooperative policy, formation of national level multi-state cooperatives for organic seeds and exports, expansion of cooperatives to the uncovered areas, priority to cooperatives in various schemes, etc. The theme of the conference, Cooperatives Build Prosperity for All, is in line with Government of India's vision of prosperity from cooperatives. I am also happy that the United Nations has declared 2025 as the International Year of Cooperatives. Cooperatives have been one of the most logical and prudent models for India's small and marginal farmers to achieve economies of scale. Dairy cooperatives in India has proven to be a unique example of prosperity through cooperation, and with the efforts undertaken during the past 7 decades, today leveraging the cooperative sector, the country has not only transformed itself as self-sufficient in milk and milk products, but is also proud to be the largest milk producing nation in the world. And this all has been made possible by bringing small and marginal farmers together through cooperatives. In dairy cooperatives, more than 75% of the consumer rupee goes back to the farmers, as they themselves are the owners of these institutions. Cooperatives in India have always received support from the central and state governments and also institutions like NDDB, NCDFI and NCOL, which have always spearheaded these efforts. Today, India's dairy cooperatives have directly empowered more than 17 million dairy farmers, including financial security, socio-economic empowerment, nutritional security, and also the women empowerment. I call upon all the stakeholders associated with the cooperatives, members, representatives, and the interested people to join and be part of this Global Cooperative Conference of ICA. Your support and participation will surely make this event successful and also inspiring. NDDB, NCDFI and NCOL, along with its associated institutions, are committed to make this momentous event a grand success. Thank you.